with you. This is a baby, and it was actually like assembled from pieces. So I'd say it was restored. Yeah, keep your toddlers away from your dolls. It's a soft silicone blend, and they just love it. So pretty much all her fingers and toes were pinched off, and yeah, she needs a bit of mating, but otherwise she is going back to her mommy. We just met her, and I think I will reroute her eyebrows or eyelashes. Yeah, we'll see. So she's been brought back to life, and her mommy is very happy. And actually I'm very happy as well, because it was quite a puzzle when I received her, like took all those tiny pieces out of the bag. I was like, wow. But it was I actually quite enjoyed it, like assembling her together. Sounds so weird. Well, I wanted to be a surgeon at some point of my life, so probably that's where it comes from. Yeah, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share with you this baby. Cute as she was one of my first Colette silicone buds. My first ones bought from this scout, so I missed her. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.